If you want to start day trading but you don't know how, this video is for you. So in this video, particularly I'm going to talk about the computer, the monitor, internet, battery backup, and also a digital clock. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the computer. You can use either desktop or laptop. It really doesn't matter that much. And then you can use whatever you have right now to start it. And later on, you can invest more as you have more needs. So here's the what I have for my computer. It's a desktop, and then it's from Dell, and the CPU is Intel Core i7-7700, and the RAM is 12G. Um, I, I bought it a few years ago, and then I chose this one around maybe 1,000 Canadian dollars. And one thing is for the graphic card. So this is very important for me because I need the output to support multiple monitors. So on the graphic card, I have one HDMI, one DisplayPort, one DVI, and at the same time on the motherboard, I found another HDMI and one VGA. So at the same time, I can support at least 5 monitors, but I use only 3 of them. Just let you know, when you buy the desktop, you want to make sure that there are enough outputs to support multiple monitors if you want to use multiple monitors. In terms of the monitors, you don't need anything very fancy. You just need the common ones. I have 3. I bought from Best Buy on sale. It's very good at this moment as well. And I use 2 of them for charting. I need to draw a trend line and then decide the entry, stop, and exit. And then the other one I use for input of the orders. All my monitors are 22 inches by size because 3 just can fit into my desk. I feel comfortable with the size. You might need bigger ones if you want to have more charting there, or even if you want to have more monitors. I know that a lot of traders, they have 4 monitors, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. I worked in a major Canadian bank on the trading floor, supporting the traders before. So I know they most of them just have 4 monitors. They don't need more. And then the monitors, the computers, just the normal ones. It's not something that's very fancy. I don't have monitor mount. I put all my 3 monitors horizontally on my desk, but you can choose to have mount. So if you have 4 monitors, or even if you want to have the monitor that can move up and down, so you don't have to stare at one direction all the time. You can move your monitors up and then, so you don't have the pain at your back or your neck. That's also a good idea. For the internet, right now I'm under Rogers, but previously I used TechSavvy and Bell. I don't really see that much difference because for the trading, you don't need much data flow. So as long as the supplier has the very stable internet, that would be good for you. And another thing is that you want to have some cell data there. So in case there's any disconnection of the internet, it happens. So you can use your personal hotspot to connect to the brokers. Especially, this is very important when you are in a trade and then suddenly there's no internet, you will panic. Believe me, you will panic. In order to make sure there's no impact from the power outage, I also have a battery backup. So my backup is called Cyber Power. It's 1,500 VA. I can show you. So here is the one I was talking about, and then if you click it here, the good thing for this is that it offers you multiple outlet here, and then on the left you can see this 5. They're on the battery. So even if you have a power outage right away, so there's a continuous power for your monitor and your computers for like a half hour to 1 hour, depending on how many you have plugged in. And then on this side, they are not connecting to the battery. So when there's a power outage, they're out. But the good thing is that they have a protection for the power surge. For some of the very successful traders, they have, instead of the battery backup, they have the power generator. So, but I don't need it. The last thing I would say is a digital clock displaying seconds. It really depends on your trading strategy. So for me, I'm trading based on the 5-minute chart, and I need to activate my entry order right after the 5-minute bar finishes. So the seconds are very important to me. And also another thing is that I would like to know where I am during the 5 minutes, whether I'm expecting the bar to be a good signal bar or I need to wait for the next bar. So let me show you an example of the clock. So basically something like this, I will really concentrate on the last 2 digits here. So whenever it goes to, let's say 55, so I will be ready to put my order there and then try to click the activated order button there. So this is what I was talking about. If you enjoyed my video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. You can also go to my channel for more videos. Thank you.